Welcome to the 2015 graduation ceremony. Thank you for being here today in Toulouse, but also online, thanks to the streaming. I'm pleased to call Bruno Cyr, président of Toulouse Capital University on stage. J'appelle maintenant le président Bruno Cyr, président de l'Université Toulousain Capitole, pour l'ouverture de la cérémonie. Merci.
Merci. Mesdames, Messieurs, chers collègues, chers étudiants, je suis très heureux, avant d'ouvrir cette cérémonie, d'abord d'accueillir le président Pebro, qui nous fait l'honneur et le plaisir d'être là. C'est toujours un plaisir de vous avoir près de nous, Président, vous que nous avez tellement soutenus dans la création de la Fondation d'abord et de l'école ensuite. Merci d'avoir fait l'effort de venir jusqu'ici. Je suis heureux aussi de saluer Dominique Bureau, qui est le président du conseil d'administration de l'école, et on a tenu un conseil ce matin sous votre présidence. Merci aussi de nous accompagner dans cette aventure. Je suis heureux également, très heureux d'accueillir Stéphane Grégoire, qui va prendre la direction de l'école à la suite de David Lalary à partir du 1er janvier, et qui est déjà parmi nous. Donc tous ensemble, et sous la houlette et avec le ferme soutien du président de la Fondation, qui n'est autre que Jean Tirole, tous ensemble, nous allons démarrer cette cérémonie. Permettez-moi de vous dire, chers étudiants, quelques mots très brefs pour tout d'abord vous souhaiter bonne route, parce que vous avez depuis quelques années accumulé un certain nombre de compétences avant de venir ici, et puis en venant nous rejoindre dans l'école. Ces compétences, maintenant, pour la plupart d'entre vous, vous allez basculer dans un autre monde, celui où vous allez devoir les mettre en œuvre, et vous allez passer à une autre vie, celle d'une vie professionnelle, d'une vie active professionnelle. Et c'est toujours un moment de rupture entre deux mondes, celui de cette première vie où on accumule des savoirs et des compétences et qui dure à peu près un quart du temps de notre espace de vie total. Et puis on bascule un jour dans cette seconde vie. Il y a toujours une petite angoisse. Je pense que tous ceux qui vous ont précédé, qui sont là parmi vous, se souviennent de ce moment en se disant: est-ce qu'on va être capable? Est-ce que ce qu'on a appris sert à quelque chose? Est-ce qu'on va être à la hauteur des ambitions qu'on a portées sur nous et que nous portons nous-mêmes avec nous? Donc je partage avec vous ce moment d'angoisse, mais je tiens aussi à vous rassurer. Le projet de cette université et de l'école qui est à l'intérieur de cette université, c'est de vous préparer à une vie active réussie, non pas en vous donnant des recettes de cuisine clés en main qu'il s'agirait d'appliquer quelle que soit la situation. C'est pas ça notre projet, et je pense que c'est pas ça qui fera demain des dirigeants d'entreprises, d'organisations ou d'administrations à la hauteur des défis qui sont à relever. Non, notre projet, c'est de vous avoir appris à réfléchir, de vous avoir appris à mobiliser des savoirs, à mobiliser des ressources documentaires, des ressources humaines aussi qui seront autour de vous et toujours disposées à vous accompagner. Et au fond, en mobilisant et avec les cadres qu'on vous aura appris à maîtriser, que vous soyez vous-même capable de construire les solutions qui seront les solutions pertinentes pour que l'environnement dans lequel vous êtes, l'entreprise, l'administration, les responsabilités que vous pourrez amener à assumer à droite ou à gauche, que vous puissiez prendre les décisions pertinentes dans un monde qui ne se renouvelle pas, qui ne se renouvelle jamais, qui est toujours en perpétuelle évolution, et pour lequel vous devrez inventer sûrement, à un moment ou à un autre, de nouvelles solutions, de nouvelles démarches. Donc c'est ça notre ambition, et je pense, j'ose croire, que nous avons atteint notre objectif pour vous qui maintenant êtes au seuil de ce grand saut dans une seconde vie, et que vous allez arriver évidemment à vous souvenir qu'il y a un certain nombre de concepts, de notions qui vont vous aider à avancer dans la vie. Je voulais aussi vous dire de ne pas oublier que vous êtes membre d'un réseau. Quand on est étudiant, vous le savez, le travail collectif, le travail en équipe est souvent déterminant. On se rend compte assez vite dans ces études que bien sûr, l'apprentissage d'un certain nombre de choses, c'est une démarche individuelle, mais que la construction de solutions, c'est une démarche collective. Et donc, vous êtes membre, de fait, et on vous a déjà mis dans ces situations, d'équipes, de réseaux. Alors, il faut que vous sachiez qu'il y a un réseau qui restera le vôtre, c'est celui de l'École d'économie de Toulouse, et c'est celui, plus largement, de l'Université de Toulouse-Capitole. Vous aurez à votre disposition un réseau d'amis, de collègues, de camarades de promotion. Sachez l'utiliser, sachez aussi renvoyer l'ascenseur, mais vous aurez aussi à votre disposition un réseau d'enseignants qui seront toujours, je les connais suffisamment pour pouvoir le dire, qui seront toujours prêts à venir vous aider, soit à réactualiser des connaissances, soit à en acquérir de nouvelles, pour justement vous permettre d'aller au bout de vos ambitions, au bout de vos projets. Donc c'est un peu ça le message que je voulais vous faire passer, et puis je voudrais conclure sans être trop long, en vous félicitant bien sûr pour le brillant parcours que vous avez mené, et en vous souhaitant à tous une très bonne route. Merci.
J'invite maintenant David Allary à me rejoindre sur scène. I'm now inviting David Allary, Dean of the School, to join me on stage.
Monsieur le Président Cyr, dear Monsieur Pegro, dear Jean, dear graduate students, half of my talk should disappear now that Bruno speaks, but I will still present my speech, even if half of what I'm going to say was already said by Bruno. I'm delighted to welcome you to celebrate the end of your academic life today. Some of you will go deeper, either acquiring new competences through an additional specialization on master. They will also become a member, for some of them, of the academic family by doing a PhD and joining the academic world and the university. However, most of you are already engaged in your professional life out of the university. And indeed, you are now involved in a very competitive market for jobs worldwide, such as the higher education system is for the school, for the professors, and for the students. Students and professors, as you were in the past, are attracted by excellence, but students and professors are also attracted by opportunities an institution can offer them. We believe that our school can offer such opportunities for students, for you graduates now, and for professors, but we also believe that you can contribute as graduate students, as now alumni. And then while this ceremony represents the end of your studies at TSC, it's not at all the end of our relationship, since you represent by yourself opportunities for the school and for the students. It's important for us that you all stay in touch with the school, professors, and current and future students in order to build up a network of excellence and opportunities. It's important for us to receive your feedback on your internship, your jobs, so that we can put in place good business relations with firms, with all the people that are providing opportunities for our students. And it's really crucial that you stay in touch so that you can personally propose new opportunities for the future students, jobs, internship, but also courses. You may act in the future as professional participating in courses, skills, and reputation for your successors. No leading universities could exist without such a network. As the President mentioned, such a network is really one of the most important thing for the future of the school. We need you as future ambassadors to promote TSE all around the world. We may not pretend to be a leading school of economics without you and without the opportunities you represent by yourself. We believe that you, students from TSE, are well prepared for this new life, the professional life, but also being a member of the academic life if you want to do a PhD. We, professors and administrative staff, I should thank them because they are taking care in day-to-day relationship of you. We believe together, professor, staff, that a life full of opportunities is in front of you, and we are already proud of you. We want you also to be proud of your school, and we are working with this objective in mind every day. The administrative staff, I will not thank them name by name because I forgot someone last year. Then it will not happen this year for sure, because I will thank them collectively and not name by name. But the administrative staff and the professors are together building a leading department of economics in a leading university, but for students, for you, and thanks to you. Finally, I want to thank you students, but also the staff, and my colleague professors for the 2 years that I spent as an acting dean of the school. I'm very happy, really, to welcome our future dean, Stéphane Grégoire, who represents by himself an opportunity for our school. Thank you very much.
Merci. Alors maintenant, je suis heureuse d'appeler Audrey Berthomieux, présidente sortante de l'Association des diplômés TSE. Merci.
So dear graduates, first of all, congratulations for this great achievement which leads you to your professional life. Speaking on behalf of all alumni, we sincerely hope you will keep nice memories from your time spent at the Toulouse School of Economics, but we even more hope that you will create nice memories as member of the TSE Alumni Network. So in this respect, I would like to share with you two good news tonight, or this afternoon. The first one is that the TSE Alumni Network is in very good health to welcome fresh and new graduates like you. So for 3 years now, the local communities in Paris, Brussels, London, Montreal and Beijing are quickly growing thanks to engaged TSE ambassadors animating the network in their cities. Other local communities begin to emerge around the world, and all these local hubs will at the end constitute a strong and international TSE alumni network. So a network of people for whom it's still a pleasure to come back to school, for a business networking day, a business talk, or for a school party like the annual gala. So entering in your professional life, you will promptly note the relevance of being part of the graduate network to serve your personal interests as well as the collective purposes. So, but please keep in mind one thing, the TSE Alumni Network is like two-sided market. We need all sides on board to make it successful. So only one advice for all of us today, let's all together play the game, help each other and be active as TSE alumni to see this network grow and be huge in the near future. The second announcement is that for the 3 next years, the TSE Alumni Board will have new faces. And before officially giving the keys to the new board, I have to tell you that it has been a really nice adventure for me during these 3 last years and a real pleasure to work with all alumni and with the school staff. For all we have achieved this year, I wish to particularly thank our TSE alumni officer, Tiffaine Texier, who have been doing a very good job to support the network on all initiatives. So thank you. So now I am pleased to announce the nomination of Romain Salis and his team, Philine Chaussel, Farah Rinaldi, Mohamed Kafagui, Mathilde Berthelot, Ibtissam Ben Ibrahim as new faces of the TSC Alumni Board. I wish Romain and his team a lot of pleasure and success in this new role.
So I'm now pleased to call Romain Salis.
Thank you very much, Audrey, for all the tremendous work carried out for the last 3 years. My team and I must take up the gauntlet and continue to develop the network and maintain the high standard required by our great institution like TSE. So as Audrey said, you are now joining the family of TSE alumni. Welcome to the working world with its share of problems and all the TSE teaching staff have prepared you for. The alumni network is take over from them help you find work. To do that, we provide you with a tool to be used with abandon. I'm talking about the alumni platform, which you should all be familiar with. I strongly advise you to use it like the social network it is to interact with your fellow new graduates and all other TSE graduates. This tool also enables the administration to follow you throughout your working life and interact with you to invite you to some various events like today, the BND and such other. In addition, you can get in touch with the new alumni board via this platform. On behalf of all students and alumni, I would like to thank all of the faculty at TSE who work tirelessly every day to provide you everything you need to succeed in your professional lives. A faculty as dedicated and of such a high standards deserves recognition. I would also personally like to thank them for having put up with me over the last few years spent within the folds of our lovely manufacture d'Etabat. And of course, I also would like to thank the school administrative staff who work in the shadows to make the school year run as smoothly as possible. I often say that with TSE, I've traveled all over the world without leaving Toulouse. The cultural diversity that we see every day at the school and the variety of schools we attend are also key factors of success. Be proud of your school and your education by flying the TSE colors, and don't simply ask what the school can do for you after all this year, but rather what you can do for the school to return the favor. We are all united around the same basic values, so everyone knows now France's motto, liberty, equality, fraternity. And in my opinion, the TSE extends its values by transmitting to all of its students some value of sharing, respect, and solidarity. So congratulations once again on all of you to be graduated today, and see you soon in the Toulouse School of Economics Alumni Network. Thank you very much.
Le moment est venu maintenant d'écouter Jean Tirole, président de la Fondation Jean-Jacques Lafon, et ne nous privons pas du plaisir de le rappeler, prix Nobel 2014 d'économie.
Monsieur le Président de l'Université de Toulouse-Capitole, cher Bruno, Monsieur le Président d'honneur de la BNP Paribas, cher Michel, qui nous fait l'honneur aujourd'hui d'être parmi nous, dear graduates, dear future graduates, dear friends, we are gathered here today for TSE's second annual graduation ceremony. We are hands on the way to building together a tradition, and I hope that you will remember in later years that you were among the pioneers of this unique Grande École, our Grande École, within the university. Created by TSE researchers and the university president, the school strives to meet 3 goals: to align its educational programs with the scientific excellence of TSE research community, to train today the economists who will tomorrow successfully contribute to public and private decision-making, to offer each and every one of you the chance to fulfill your ambitions. As I said to your predecessors last year, This ceremony, during which your teachers will hand you your diploma, stands for knowledge transfer, a value dear to the heart of Jean-Jacques Lafont, our forefather. This philosophy remains at the heart of our actions. We have shared with you our knowledge and methods, and you have, in return, brought us new perspectives, questions, and energy. At this point of my speech, I cannot help thinking of the tragic year we have experienced in France. Beyond the political and religious issues, we must not forget that it's its culture, use, and creation that have been targeted. In history, cultural and educational gathering points have often been the targets of intolerance. Dear graduates, you represent our future. Please be aware of the responsibility you carry to make this world a better and fairer place, to overcome obscurantism. You have our trust for this mission. On a simpler level, from this day onwards, you'll be our TSC ambassadors worldwide. As Audrey reminded us, TSC chapters are already being set up across the globe on all continents, evidence that our alumni community is already up and running. May I thank you in advance for all you can do in the future to strengthen these bonds. To end, I would like to thank Christine Morel and David Allary, who have successfully run the school since the untimely passing of our dear friend, Jean-Philippe Laine. They are passing on a great school, an impressive project to Stéphane Grégoire, the new TSC Education Director, who will take office on January 1st. Welcome, Stéphane. Finally, a big and sincere thank you to our teachers, who are the heart and soul of this magnificent institution on the rise, and to the administrative staff, I'm not going to name them, I don't want to forget any name, of the university. The school and the foundation would daily seek and find the best solution to help you study in the best possible conditions. Dear graduates, thank you very much for being part of the TSC family. We are proud of you, and we wish you a happy graduation and a very successful career. Thank you.
J'ai l'immense plaisir d'annoncer et d'inviter maintenant Michel Pébreau à me rejoindre. Michel Pébreau, président d'honneur de BNP Paribas, que nous remercions chaleureusement d'avoir accepté d'être le parrain.
Monsieur le Président Cyr, Monsieur le Directeur de l'école, dear Jean Tirole, dear graduates, I am very proud to be here today. Over the last 10 years, I have been a close observer of how this school has emerged as a prominent institution in the French academic landscape. Over the last 3 years, you too had the chance to participate in and contribute to this exceptional innovative adventure that is the Toulouse School of Economics. You may not realize it right now, but your professional success will help to forge the growing reputation of the school. From this point of view, you have a moral obligation to make your very best efforts in your careers, not only for your own benefit, but also for the success of TSC. Some of you know my long-term commitment to the development of a strong business culture and to improving business knowledge in French society, a necessary condition for the prosperity of our country in the decades to come. With the human capital that you have accumulated in this top economics school, those of you who decide to begin your careers in France have another social responsibility: to help build France's business culture through the quality and clarity of the arguments that you will develop all through your professional life. As you have learned here, it is so easy to mislead people, citizens, voters, partners, even regulators and experts with dull economic arguments, untested or fake theories, sometimes with serious consequences for the functioning of our society, not to mention the totally unacceptable miseries that they have caused. Too many French people today believe that there are alternatives to the market economy. They ignore the fact that those who have tried other systems have been forced to sacrifice their liberty and abandon democracy. It's only from a market economy that we can expect to see growth, and without growth, there will be no social progress. As economists, part of your mission is to fight against these misleading ideas with vigor and determination. I hope that the vibrant atmosphere of academic excellence here at TSE will have instilled in you a number of key qualities: intellectual curiosity, the ability to see things from different points of view, the daring to say "what if," all guided by a rigorous intellectual approach. What do you feel today? I guess your feelings today fluctuate between pride, gratitude, excitement, and joy. But at this very special moment of your life, you should remember one thing: none of you made it here entirely on your own. I am thinking of your friends, your parents, maybe your brothers and sisters who helped and encouraged you all through the educational process which has brought you here today. From the place where I stand in front of you, I can see that they are the ones bursting with pride right now. I also see many of your professors and teachers who have devoted much of their energy during the last 3 years to offer you the best of their knowledge and nurture your desire to understand economics. They have helped you realize your full potential. They too are proud of your accomplishment. This graduation ceremony is one of the best illustrations of the deep changes that a number of entrepreneurial leaders of this academic community have produced through many years of efforts. You graduates have become a crucial part of TSE output alongside its research output. I am very happy to help draw wider attention to this ceremony, which demonstrates the radical transformation of this institution over such a short period of time. I believe that the future of any society is bleak if there is no sound educational basis and forward-looking research. This school is something new in the French higher education landscape. The TSE not only provides a high level of training in economics, because this institution is at the cutting edge of research, the courses that it offers are at the frontiers of knowledge. Before closing, I would like to leave you with a few messages. Very soon, you will be embarking on your first jobs. You will be moving from an environment whose basic purpose is learning to an environment whose main purpose is an end product. And very quickly, you will be so absorbed in your work that you will hardly have any time to think strategically about what you really want out of life. In fact, one day, you will probably look back on the free time you enjoyed at TSE as a lost paradise. My first message is simple. Your work, your job is going to occupy a major part of your life. So it's very important that you enjoy it, find happiness in it. To achieve this, I recommend that you really put your heart and soul into every task that is entrusted to you, whether it's a big task or a small one. Approach the work with curiosity and the determination to do the very best you can, and don't hesitate to take an innovative approach whenever you think that will help. In addition, you should take the trouble right from the very start to forge a personal relationship, a relationship of trust with each of your colleagues. Always seek to work as part of a team. Cultivate team spirit. After all, your working life should also be a means to enrich your personal life. If you are determined to enjoy your working life and your work relationships, that will help to make you more effective and will boost your added value. And it will also help to turn your work tasks into a source of continuous improvement in your education, your knowledge, and your skill sets. My second message is, at the same time, you need to make plans for your professional life. Decide what your dream is, and then go for it with all your drive and determination. You are probably thinking about making money, but make sure you also think about making meaning. Money without meaning can lead to a miserable life. You should always think about the meaning of the work you are doing and how it's affecting others, the various professional and social groups to which you belong, your team, your company, your country. Most of you are probably going to make a career in the service sectors. As I see it, service implies having values and being guided by a set of ethics and a code of conduct that will shape your behavior towards everyone in your immediate work environment. That means your managers, your colleagues, and your staff. If you are in a company, this will include your clients and shareholders and all the various stakeholders. For graduate entrepreneurs like you, it is perfectly possible to earn money and at the same time to give sense and meaning to your work, to uphold strong values and to maintain demanding ethical standards. My third message is that you should always remember your origins, and TSE is part of those origins. TSE is proud of you, and you should also be proud of TSE. I am sure you feel proud today, but please make sure that your association with TSE remains vivid in your minds in the decades to come. Keep in touch with TSE associates and also your teachers. I know they will always be glad and to get feedback on where you are and what you are doing, and also to provide assistance and advice when you need it. I have, of course, a very personal and not surprising last message. If ever you are interested in a career with the banking industry, I think I can honestly say that this would not be a bad choice. So, my dear too soon TSE graduates, I encourage you to seek meaning and ethics, to focus on your dreams, and also keep your origins in mind. This graduation is not an end, but the beginning of a new life, the real life. I wish you all a successful and happy one. Thank you for your attention. Congratulations to you all.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my great pleasure to be here this evening. Let me first congratulate all of you and wish you a very successful career. I'm going to call now the ECL graduates. Let me start with the student ranked first in the Economics and Competition Law program, Ludovic Vaudou. I'm now calling Brenda Medaglia. I'm calling Gaël Lecolté. I'm calling Amandine Léger. I'm calling Florian Pradine. Colline Camille Robert. Finally, I'm calling Marion Sanchez.
J'appelle maintenant le Master in Economic Theory and Econometrics et son responsable pédagogique Patrick Fèvre.
Thank you. This Master 2 is the first year of our doctoral program. So as a director of this Master 2, but also as a director of the doctoral program, I'm very, very proud of this new cohort. So a large part of you will continue to work within the TSC community. So first I will start with Willy Lefez. Willy was ranked first last year. So I'm very proud of Willy because Willy is a pure TSC product. So now I'm calling Luis Arnabal Roca. I'm calling Olga Bernard. Hussein Bidawi. Nicolas Bonneton. Jacopo Dragolin. Filippo Maria D'Arcangelo. Johanna Duran French. Yacine Henrich Moya. Jérôme Gonneau. Not here. Julia Hofer-Marty. So second part of the court. So now I'm calling Teng Wang. Kunal Kernar. Magdalena Krupa. Louis Martins Abreu. Juliette Picot-Mégia. Stéphane Koenzer. Christopher Sandman? Yeah, you're right. Lutin Young? Yang Yang? Miguel Cerecero. Ling Zhu.
So I'm calling now Jean-Paul Azan for the Master Public Policy and Development.
Last year I said what we are doing in these masters. First thing to say this time is that already 2 of our students are doing a PhD somewhere else, so I'm a little bit less convincing than last year, where the first 2 were working already in Africa. But I'm pretty sure what they are doing will help us help the community to understand better development economics. And To start with, Marit or Maria Tierlink, who is here, who has already started her PhD in Berlin. Is Marine Coinon? Nicolas de Remarque is the next in line. I'm not going to kiss you, I don't know why. It's very fashionable between men to have a kiss on the cheek. It's especially true in the rugby game, but we're not here for that. So next in line is Sarah Durlement. Justine Felliot is the next in line. Tiffaine Forzy, she didn't come. We have boys, Arnaud Galinier. Félicitations. Thuc Wan Ha. Congratulations. Next in line is Jordan Lopez, who's here. Keep on with French boys, so I might indulge in saying félicitations again. Valentin Moreau. Next in line is Vai Pawatini. And Ioana Pasiopoulou. Congratulations. You're welcome. The next is a bit special. She's not going to come really alone, so please come the two of you. Selma Ruiz Kadiri, who is preparing the most fantastic, it's much more difficult than a PhD. You aussi, please, come. Camille Sultra. Janine Torelli Zapata. Anne-Maëlle Vieillard de la Haye. Didn't turn up. Don't see her.
Thank you. You can go back to your seat. I'm calling now the Master of Financial Markets and Intermediaries and his director, Christophe Bizière.
Hello everybody, so I'm glad to be here. So actually the Master in Finance is a quite large program with something like 75 students, 60 coming from the School of Management, IAE, and 15 from TSE, roughly. So TSE students will both graduate from IAE, School of Management, and TSE. So that's why I'm here today. Actually, we have 3 tracks in the master, so I'm going to start with the first track, which is corporate finance. So let me call Fidwa Dermouni. Qian Zhang. Finance and Information Technology, so FIT, which is a good name. So let me call Thi Hong Vong Do. Switch to the third track, which is Financial Markets and Risk Evaluation. And the first graduate student is Ngzi J.I. Thierry Martial Cagnier. Not here. Camille Thomas. Where is Camille? Xue Giang Zhang. Who is not here, so too bad to finish like that. But anyway, so congrats to everybody.
Thank you. You can go back to your seat. Thank you. J'appelle maintenant le Master Environment and Natural Resources Economics and his director, Henrik Andersen.
So I'm also very happy to be here, and I would also like to congratulate all of you, not only the Earnest student, but I'm especially proud of the Earnest student, of course. I will start by calling Marika Valente. Congratulations. So Marika is the student ranked #1 in our program. Obey Al-Tarabachi. Yael Ramon. Alexandre Blasé. Moniviche Yet. Maud Joly. Essi Karjalainen. Oui, Vanian Kwasi. Someone is pointing to the screen. Jean-Philippe Lambert. Dominique Lejeune. Rami Mami. Perceval Modiano. Manon Neula. But not least, Eva Tenne.
So you can go back to your seat. Thank you. J'appelle maintenant le Master Economics of Markets and Organization et son directeur Wilfried Zanzantman. Merci.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm the new appointed director of this EMO program, so I'm extremely glad to be here. In fact, 20 years ago, I myself graduated from TAC Master Program, so it's great to see how it has changed and for the good, I would say. And also, I was the first director of the EMO program, which was created 8 years ago. So I'm taking back in charge. And I'm really glad to see how it has changed also for the good and how successful it has become now. And to see you so many graduates and so smart and clever and beautiful in all your suits. Yeah, I'm thinking that we did a great job and you did a great job. So I really congratulate you, all of you, I would say. So I'm going to call in line. So first, Aziza Amalala. Clara Ballardi. Samuel Benhamou. Julie Bertrand. Champredonde. Baptiste Colmagro. Joris Delon. David Dos Santos. Clovis Eng. Iris Florin. Marc-Antoine Freuring. Antoine Grelotti. Yosuke Ijiri.
J'invite donc ce premier groupe à retourner à sa place. Merci.
Mohamed Kafagui. Mathieu Lapère. Nancy Lee. Dan Luo. Tiffaine Morel. Florian Niklos. Alexandre Nouvelle. José Paradias. Pierre Piteux. Stop, par moi d'abord. Félicitations. Hélène Roth. Catherine Sargson. Arnaud Séverac. et Jury Simons. Okay, thank you, and
Thanks a
congratulations
lot.
to all of the graduate students.
So the graduates can go back to their seat. Thank you. I'm calling now the Master in Statistics and Econometrics, Manager Christine Thomas, and the first group.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody. I'm particularly happy to be here tonight since it was my last year as a director of this program after more than 10 years. So I'm going to be calling first Clélia Cahuzac, who ranked first in this program. And Florine Pitot. Next is Nicolas Aguiar. Next is Ibtissam Ben Ibrahim. I'm calling now Mathilde Berthelot. Calling now Saïma Besbes. Next is Benjamin Blay. Next is Anaël Cabrol. Next is Renaud Formaggio. And last one of first group is Rose Valérie Gamier-Wabo.
Thank you. The first group can go back to the seat. Thanks.
Congratulations.
Second group, we are starting with Lydia Gebremariam. Next is Elodie Guillard. We then have Sayali Javadekar. Next is Yuqin Jiang. Yuqin is not here. Okay. Antoine Lacroix. Next is Pierre-Paul Massa. Next is Nizashon Namprazertit. We then have Marianne Pinault. Next is Paul Schutte. And last is Xuan Wu. Thank you very much.
Merci, je vous invite donc à reprendre votre place. Merci. Alors, j'invite maintenant toutes les personnes qui sont assises au premier rang à venir sur scène. Chers diplômés, je vous invite tous à vous lever. Le moment tant attendu, excusez-moi, de passer le pompon de votre coiffe de droite à gauche est venu. Dear alumni, you can now all stand. It's time for you to place your tassel from your right to your left and to turn to the public. And to turn to the public, so you turn. And now I invite you to throw your caps into the air. Thank you.